When we say the pricing of new product, as I mentioned, the price is the exchange value of the product. There are two pricing strategies which are very much common and famous. Skimming pricing policy mean to say you will fix a price high, and after penetration of that product or famous of the product or the huge publicity of the product or the good response of the product, you will try to decrease the price of that product. That is known as skimming pricing policy. Why? Because of I am willing to capture maximum profit in the introduction stage or the growth stage. I will not wait for the maturity stage. Why and how? Because of I have invested a lot in the plant and machinery, technological innovation, research and development. Therefore, I have to capture or secure my profit by implementing this skimming pricing strategy. Under case of penetration pricing policy. Penetration pricing policy means to say you will spread the product in the whole market having low price or competitive price. Mean to say, suppose you are willing to sell a packet of salt or a sanitizer. You can take an example, very much simple and easy to understand nowadays. The sanitizer cost is of rupees 25 for 300 ml bottle in market, and as and when I will enter the market, therefore it is responsibility for me that I have to minimize my price or I have to fix that competitive price. Mean to say I have to again fix 25. The cost of the product may be of 20 rupees, maybe of 30 rupees, maybe of 50 rupees. Don't bother, but I have to take care of the competitor's price. But I have to spread my product in different markets. As and when my product will get a good position in the market, then I will boost up or I will increase the profit of my firm by increasing the price of my product. That is known as penetration pricing policy. Mean to say skimming is to fix the high price at the introduction level and then decrease. Penetration is just opposite, fix the low price, and after that you have to increase the price on the basis of the performance of the product. These are the basically two pricing strategies which are being adopted by different firms in different markets. Now the next one is